It's been a minute since we've had to bring out the bear spray.
Take the bear spray.
Well, here we are, and while all the talk is doom and gloom, we've been here before, and I know it's hard to believe, but there is light at the end of the tunnel. We've gathered up a handful of points to bring some perspective and help you hold along. I'm Kris Merkel, and this is Exodus Crypto News. Welcome everybody. It is good to have you along for this ride, even though big storm clouds loom in the crypto skies right now. We're in a full-on bear market with Bitcoin way down from its high last November. Cryptocurrencies are hitting their roughest patch since 2018, and this has triggered a wave of panic selling. Today, the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index sits well into the extreme fear category with a score of 9 out of 100. Now, of course, if you've been involved with crypto for any length of time, you already know how the market roughly follows cycles related to when Bitcoin mining rewards are cut in half. Now, historically, every slump has been followed by even greater growth, and even now, there's still $1 trillion in the crypto market. There are definitely some silver linings to be found in these dark skies, though, and many of crypto's biggest investors already see them. And as dedicated crypto evangelists, they're happy to share their insights and advice. Skybridge Capital founder Anthony Scaramucci said in a CNBC interview this week,
"This is my 8th bear market. I expect to survive this one as well. I am encouraged by the fact that Bitcoin is above 50% of the overall crypto market cap right now, which is, again, another sign that there's a flight to quality there."
Scaramucci confirmed that Skybridge was still buying Bitcoin and Ethereum, and he urged investors not to panic.
Keep to your long-term investment discipline. Everybody has a long-term perspective until they have short-term losses, Andrew,
right.
And then they start to set their hair on fire and run around in a circle.
This is fine. And according to Yosef Jett, a brand ambassador for Satoshi Labs, this bearish action is really healthy for Bitcoin in the long term, cleansing the market of leverage, scams, and dishonest players. Or as legendary investor Warren Buffett once said, "You only find out who is swimming naked when the tide goes out." Now, crypto guru Guy Swan recently tweeted a list of do's and don'ts to help newbies weather their first major storm. And he advised noobs to buy Bitcoin, stack regularly, ignore the market price, get rid of leverage, and hold your own keys. Michael Saylor, laser-eyed permabull and CEO of MicroStrategy, said yesterday on CNBC,
"Over any time frame, 2 years, 4 years, 8 years, Bitcoin's the best performing asset. I can't come up with a better idea. Nobody's ever lost money investing in Bitcoin for 4 years.
When he was asked if he thought now is a great buying opportunity, he answered without hesitation,
"Yeah, this is an ideal entry point to get into this thing."
And if all the financial news is stressing you out, it may help to tune out a little bit. Follow the advice of CoinGecko co-founder Bobby Ong. Go for a jog, cycle, hike, improve yourself technically and socially, spend time with your family. The market will still be here. So what are the big takeaways here? Well, rule number 1 is don't panic. Unless you have an immediate need for cash, your best bet is to keep hodling your crypto. And if you do decide to double down from here, the most reliable long-term investment strategy has always been what's called dollar cost averaging, which protects you from the stress of trying to time the markets. Now, dollar cost averaging is simply buying the same amount of your favorite asset on a regular schedule, no matter what the price is. Now, finally, don't forget that some coins like Solana, Cardano, Cosmos, and others can still earn passive income to help bolster your portfolio. Thanks for watching, everybody. We've got a lot more videos for you, so just click any of these to keep watching. And until next time, hold on.